Hello everyone, I am Brother Abel Agravanti. I am a missionary from and to the Philippines. The Lord saved me when I was 12 years old under the ministry of Maharlika Bible Baptist Church, Sipukot, Camarines Sur. In 1985, when I was 16 years old, I surrendered to preach. After I graduated in theology, I went back to my home church. God called me to pastor my home church for 14 years. While I am pastoring my home church, I started a new work in Lupi, Camarines Sur. And by the grace of God, we were able to organize a new church. I turned over the work to Elmer Asma, my first son in the ministry. Under the leadership of Elmer Asma, he started 2 mission works in his area. Edwin Lombo is another gentleman who got saved and trained under the ministry, and I turned the pastorate of my home church over to him since he took the leadership. Edwin Lombo started 2 mission work as well. 7 years ago, I started another mission work in Ragay, Camarines Sur. The mission work was organized into a local church and now continues to grow by the help of God. I turned over the work to Judel Marasigan, a product of our ministry in Ragay, Camarines Sur. More than 2 years ago, we responded to the call of God to start another pioneering work in Sorsogon City. God is faithful to us, and His grace is sufficient and abounding. We were able to baptize 117 converts since we started the ministry. While I'm away from my mission, the pastor I won and trained in the ministry supplies the pulpit. We have 2 young men who are now full-time helping me. I am training them to be used by God in His works. It is indeed a privilege to train my people for the ministry. After 21 years of our teamwork, we have seen 7 works established. To God be the glory. I am now 6 months in deputation and will be going back home on February 15, 2012. I pray to start more churches in the province of Sorsogon. The province of Sorsogon has 14 towns with more than 1 million in population. Our prayer is to start one church in every town. I also desire to see one church in every 2 villages in the city of Sorsogon. Our city has 64 villages with more than 500,000 in population. Our province and our city truly need the Lord. I am raising funds for the property and church building, and my people are also doing their best to take their part. It will be a testimony of our faith in the city, and it can also be used as a place to train our people to be future pastors and workers, both in our city and in the province of Sorsogon, even to be missionaries to any part of the world someday. I do pray that He will continue to supply the need of His ministry. May God honor my faith and send me home with a success. God bless you.